Build a powerful sales pipeline. Top tips and strategies to skyrocket your business. Are you having trouble attracting new customers and growing your business? Look no further. In this video, we'll dive deep into the most effective tips and strategies for building a powerful sales pipeline that will skyrocket your business. You'll learn how to identify your ideal customers, create a solid lead generation plan, leverage the latest tools and technology, and much more. But wait, there's more. We'll also share some hidden gems that can make a significant difference in your sales results. So, make sure to stick around till the end, as you won't want to miss these game-changing insights. Are you ready to transform your sales process and take your business to new heights? Let's get started. 1. Define your target market and ideal customer profile. Understanding your target market is crucial to building a successful sales pipeline. Start by identifying the key demographics and characteristics of your ideal customers, such as age, gender, location, income, and interests. This will help you focus your marketing and sales efforts on the right audience. For example, if you're selling fitness supplements, your target market might be health-conscious adults who frequently exercise. Your ideal customer profile could be a 25 to 45-year-old individual who's interested in improving their physical performance and overall well-being. Once you have a clear picture of your ideal customer, create detailed personas representing their characteristics, needs, and pain points. These personas will help you craft tailored messages and develop more effective sales strategies. Imagine your ideal customer, Mr. Hari, a 30-year-old office worker who wants to improve his fitness but struggles to find time for exercise. By understanding Hari's challenges, you can tailor your sales approach to address his concerns, such as offering time-saving workout plans or supplements that boost energy levels. By defining your target market and ideal customer profile, you can better allocate resources and create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience, ultimately leading to a stronger sales pipeline. 2. Create a solid lead generation strategy. A strong lead generation strategy is crucial for keeping your sales pipeline filled with potential customers. Identify the most effective lead generation channels for your business, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, paid ads, or events. Create a lead magnet, such as an ebook, white paper, or free trial, that offers value to your prospects in exchange for their contact information. Use social proof and referrals to generate leads by encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews and share their experiences on social media. Consistently test, measure, and optimize your tactics based on the data and insights you gather to refine your approach and attract high-quality leads that are more likely to convert into paying customers. Whether you are targeting B2B customers on LinkedIn or using valuable content to generate leads, a solid lead generation strategy will help you build a database of potential customers that you can nurture through your sales funnel. By focusing on the channels that work best for your business and continuously optimizing your tactics, you can generate high-quality leads and drive growth and success for your business. 3. Develop a structured sales process. A structured sales process is crucial for moving prospects through the pipeline efficiently. Map out your sales process stages, such as lead qualification, needs assessment, proposal, negotiation, and closing. Establish clear criteria for each stage to ensure alignment among your team. Create a sales playbook outlining the steps your reps should take at each stage. This ensures a consistent experience for prospects throughout the sales process. Use sales enablement tools like CRM software to automate the process, streamline workflow, and provide insights into pipeline performance. Monitor and optimize your sales process continuously. Analyze your data to identify areas for improvement, refine your tactics, and make your sales process more efficient and effective. Developing a structured sales process is critical for moving prospects through the pipeline and closing more deals. Create clear criteria, provide training and support, and leverage technology to create a sales process that drives growth and success for your business. 4. Leverage sales tools, technology, and CRM software. Sales tools, technology, and CRM software are essential for building a strong sales pipeline in today's digital age. These tools can automate repetitive tasks, manage customer data more efficiently, and provide valuable insights into pipeline performance. Identify the most relevant sales tools and technology for your business, such as email marketing software, social media automation tools, and sales engagement platforms. These tools can help streamline your sales process and provide valuable analytics and reporting. Another critical component is to leverage CRM software to manage your customer data more effectively, track sales interactions, and improve lead tracking. By using a CRM system, you can gain valuable insights into your pipeline performance and provide your sales reps with the information they need to close more deals. To optimize your sales tools and technology, continuously evaluate and refine your tactics based on your results. By analyzing your data and performance metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and create a more efficient and effective sales process. Leveraging sales tools, technology, and CRM software can streamline your sales process, improve lead tracking, and provide valuable insights into your pipeline performance, ultimately leading to more sales and revenue for your business. 5. Align sales and marketing efforts. Alignment between your sales and marketing teams is critical to building a strong sales pipeline. When these teams are aligned, they can work together to attract, engage, and convert prospects into customers more effectively. Start by establishing clear communication channels between your sales and marketing teams. This will help ensure that both teams are on the same page and working towards the same goals. Next, collaborate on developing your ideal customer profile and creating targeted messaging that resonates with your audience. By working together to create a unified message, you can ensure that your marketing efforts are aligned with your sales goals. In addition, consider implementing a shared set of metrics to track your progress toward your goals. This can help create a culture of accountability and ensure that both teams are working towards a shared set of objectives. Finally, don't forget to regularly review and optimize your sales and marketing strategies based on your results. By analyzing your data and performance metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions that drive growth and success. 6. Nurture leads through content and engagement. Nurturing your leads through content and engagement is crucial for building a strong sales pipeline. Create targeted content that provides solutions to your ideal customers' pain points, needs, and interests. Use social media to engage with prospects, respond to comments, and participate in industry discussions. Personalize your communications based on your prospects' interests and needs. Use data from your CRM system to tailor your messaging and provide relevant solutions to their specific challenges. Measure and analyze your content and engagement metrics to track your progress and refine your tactics based on your results. By continuously optimizing your lead nurturing strategies, you can improve your conversion rates and build a strong pipeline of qualified leads. Nurturing your leads through valuable content and engagement is crucial for establishing your business as a thought leader, building trust, and ultimately leading to more sales and revenue. By creating targeted content, engaging with prospects on social media, personalizing your communications, and continuously optimizing your tactics, you can build a strong sales pipeline that drives growth and success for your business. 7. Continuously improve and adapt your sales strategies. Continuous improvement and adaptation of your sales strategies are crucial for building a strong sales pipeline. As your business and industry evolve, your sales strategies must evolve with them to remain effective. Start by regularly reviewing and analyzing your sales data and performance metrics. This will help you identify areas for improvement and create data-driven strategies that drive growth and success. Next, stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your industry and explore how you can incorporate them into your sales process. For example, you might explore new social media platforms or sales enablement tools that can help you reach and engage with your prospects more effectively. In addition, don't be afraid to experiment with new tactics and strategies to see what works best for your business. This can include A/B testing different messaging or sales approaches, trying new lead generation tactics, or experimenting with new sales tools. Finally, make sure to continuously provide training and support for your sales team to ensure that they have the skills and knowledge they need to succeed. Regularly assess their performance and provide feedback and coaching to help them continuously improve. By continuously improving and adapting your sales strategies, you can stay ahead of the curve and build a strong sales pipeline that drives growth and success for your business. In conclusion, to build a powerful sales pipeline, you need a strategic approach that includes defining your target market, creating a solid lead generation strategy, nurturing your leads, developing a structured sales process, leveraging sales tools and technology, aligning sales and marketing efforts, and continuously improving your strategies. By implementing these top tips and strategies, you can create a sales pipeline that drives growth and success for your business. Remember to consistently measure and analyze your performance, adapt your tactics based on your results, and provide training and support for your sales team to ensure they have the skills and knowledge they need to succeed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content on building a successful business, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And most importantly, share this video with anyone you know who could benefit from these tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.